Perform this maintenance monthly. Before you begin, make sure to wear the proper protective equipment. Open the UV Flatbed controller software, then click Clean to move the carriage to the maintenance position. Clean the UV lamps at the same time you clean the print head nozzles and surrounding areas. Using a polyester or nylon cloth dampened with cleaning fluid, clean the UV lamps on both sides of the carriage. Use a scraper or similar tool to remove any ink that has hardened on any of the UV lamps. Using a dry cotton swab, clean the ionizers on both sides of the carriage. When you're done, click OK. When you see this message, move the flushing box to the front of the ink receiver. Then click OK. When you're done performing maintenance, reset the applicable maintenance counters in the UV Flatbed controller software.